Hello and welcome back to the student series. Today I'm creating the finger pull for the lids. Doesn't look too difficult. Let's see how it goes. Have you?
I put the thing in here to cool it down, but now I can't get it out. I can't tip it out because then it tips all the water in it.
This is Matt while I'm working. He's trying to create things. He's not very good at creating things though.
Up.
He's put a thing in a bottle that he can't get out.
Well, I could get it out by tipping it out, but then it means tipping out all the contents of the water. But I have a secret weapon.
That's incredibly disappointing.
Yes. Oh, oh. Down my leg.
Anyways, back to my tuna. That is appalling. That was a quick one, wasn't it?
Yeah. So how did you find the John West tuna pot?
I found it quite a challenge to use.
Did you?
Yeah, I don't know if it's been designed specifically for doing that, but if it was, was it?
Yeah, it was, yeah.
It was.
Yeah.
Well, I would suggest I need to go back. If it was a clear pot, that'd be perfect.
Yeah, okay. So, having a look at this.
Yeah.
Looks alright.
Is it a bit lopsided?
It's not lopsided.
Is it flat at the bottom?
Let me get mine as contrast. Because this is a very easy thing to do.
Well, you didn't warn me in the video.
All over this. Can you see the difference? Not that yours is wrong.
Mine's quite fat.
It's.
But then I think I did that originally with the measuring. Because I didn't actually go up to the pencil mark. I rubbed it out.
It's not that it's fat. It's that it's. You've got a consistent curve that matches John West at the back, and then you see it kind of sweeps into an S shape.
Oh yeah.
Where you've hit that corner slightly too much.
I may have done that slightly intentionally.
Yeah?
Like, genuinely, I would prefer that.
Yeah.
But, can you see what happened there?
Chipped.
It broke out as I was grasping it. And I thought, well...
Blend it in.
Yeah. And then if I blended it in there, I thought, well, I've got to blend it in there now, haven't I?
Yeah. Yeah, I said it's not that it's wrong, but that's yeah, something to watch out for you guys if you try this.
Yeah.
I'm sure Rob will get some B-roll of this. When you attack those corners at the very ends of that finger pull, that is going to take, well, one stroke and you've lost the corner pretty much. So you've got to really be careful there to not take off too much material.
Yeah, I should have thought, in hindsight, I guess I should have thought about it a bit more, because that hadn't even crossed my mind. But owing to the fact that I had it tear out on the edge anyway,
yeah,
I was sort of going to have no choice.
Yeah, you've got to hide it, and you got to hide it. Yeah. But I mean, it still looks pretty good. Still looks good.
I'm
it's consistent.
Pretty happy with that.
I'd say it's consistent. Yeah. Good. Might a bit more clean up there though. It's a bit torn out or something.
Oh yeah. Like I haven't got quite to the bottom of the sandpaper, you say?
We'll see. Let's have a look. bump.
Where? Oh, what, in the middle?
Yeah, compare it to that. It pretty much sits on there dead flat.
Oh yeah.
So that's the sandpaper rocking slightly. Again, not that it's an issue. If you like the look of it, keep it. To be honest, you can't really see that it's bumpy other than when you get a ruler on it.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. But I guess I should probably try and clean up that edge bit anyway.
That definitely could do with something.
Well, you're not going to see that on camera, but I will clean it up.
And that's going to be the bit that takes 5 hours.
Yes, yeah, this is too
easy.
easy.
Finger pull that goes the entire width by the end of it.
Yeah, I just drop down the side. It's just a whole hand lift up.
Yeah, all right. But no, it looks good though. It looks good.
Thank you.
It's good.
Thank
cool.
you.
Right, you're now ready to move on to the next video, which you can do so by clicking the link below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe by pressing the button to the left-hand side of the video. We will see you in the next one.
See you then.